For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
India's COVID-19 tally witnessed a slight dip in fresh cases after recording nearly 40,000 infections for 2 consecutive days. India registered 37,148 cases in 24 hours, taking the country's tally to 11,55,191. The country reported 587 deaths in the past 24 hours, taking the death toll in the country to 28,024. India's recovery rate continues to bring some relief to the country. The recovery rate in the country stands at 62.72%. As per Union Health Ministry, around 7 lakh patients have been cured of COVID-19. Indian Council of Medical Research stated that over 1,43,81,303 tests were conducted in various laboratories across the country till July 20th, and out of these, 3,33,395 samples were tested yesterday. States such as Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Delhi, West Bengal, Karnataka and Gujarat continue to report a high number of cases in the country. Maharashtra has reported 3,18,695 COVID-19 cases. Pune district reported highest single-day spike in the COVID-19 cases with 2,601 in the past 24 hours. Maharashtra reported 8,240 new cases in the last 24 hours, taking the tally to 3,18,695. Around 1,75,029 patients have been cured from the virus. The death toll in the state stands at 12,030. Tamil Nadu reported 4,985 fresh COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours. 4 family members of Tamil Nadu Health Secretary J. Radhakrishnan have tested positive for the virus. Tamil Nadu now has 1,75,678 confirmed cases with 1,21,776 recoveries so far, with 51,351 active cases. The death toll in the state stands at 2,551. Karnataka continues to report highest percentage of COVID-19 growth rate in the country. Bengaluru remains the biggest contributor to the state's COVID-19 tally. Karnataka has reported 3,648 fresh cases in the past 24 hours, taking the tally to 67,420 COVID-19 cases in the state. Around 23,795 people have been cured of the virus. The death toll in the state stands at 1,403. Delhi is the worst hit COVID-19 regions in the country. The national capital has reported 1,23,747 COVID-19 cases so far. The national capital recorded 954 fresh new cases for the first time in the last 24 hours. Delhi has reported 1,23,747 confirmed cases with 1,04,918 discharges and 15,166 active cases. The death toll in the national capital stands at 3,663. Meanwhile, there is progress on the vaccine front amid rising cases around the world. The United States has secured almost a third of the first billion doses of potential coronavirus vaccine. AstraZeneca will supply Europe with up to 400 million doses of Oxford University's potential COVID-19 vaccine. The deadly coronavirus has claimed the life of more than 6.06 lakh people so far.